It already is the most expensive and priciest Pokemon booster bundle of any of them. I'm grabbing something from the closet because, as many of you know, many investors, many collectors, many fans of the series know, Pokemon 151 has been exploding for the last 9 days. I had a really cool opportunity. Not sure if you guys remember from the video that I put out 2 weeks ago, I believe now, was it 2 weeks ago or was it last week? Time's insane. Time's a crazy concept, but I had mentioned that I managed to sell my booster bundles of 151 for 1,400. Sold an open booster display bundle. That is what this guy is. This is not sealed. I do have 2 sealed that I picked up, and the whole idea was, let me pick them up now while I can afford them, while the prices are down. Let me pick those up now, get rid of my open bundles, and then, dude, lo and behold, the set's just been on a tear, right? So I want to talk to you guys about Pokemon 151 because I think it's still a good opportunity to get in. Yeah, even at 155, maybe 140, 145, you could find them local on Facebook or something, right? Like, obviously, the whole goal of this channel is, how do we... one, if you're a fan of Pokemon in general, enjoy the content. But 2, if you want to grow your PC, you want to grow your own personal collection. And lastly, 3, if you want to be a long-term investor, if you're like, hey, I believe in this, I believe that the price is going to go up, I think that there's a lot of really good opportunity here, then in that case, no pun intended, you could pick up a display case. You could pick up booster bundles. You could pick up a lot of 151 right now, because I don't think that we're done. Obviously, like any product, like anything that's overhyped, it's just going to go to the moon, in the moment. So, now is a good time to be selling if you already had them for the $26 that I had originally got them for. But I picked these up at 140. Again, 140 each. I not picked them up again. I picked this bundle up again because this is the one that I originally had. I picked it up from the exact same vendor from before. He went to a show, did his thing, and then he had leftover stuff. And he's like, hey, man, are you interested? And I was like, yeah, actually. Could I get that back? Because I had seen what the prices had been doing, right? I also listed my Tag 10 Blastoise. I also listed my Tag 10 Pikachu from 151. So those are on eBay. If you want to help out the cause, please bid, because those are available and I would love to sell them. Overall, I think in the short term, we could see 151 become the most expensive booster bundle ever, right? I don't think that's far. I don't think that's going to be like a insane thing to imagine. It already is the most expensive and priciest Pokemon booster bundle of any of them, but I think it has room to grow, especially as 151 PC ETBs are what, 1,300 now, and then regular ETBs are also well above 500, maybe even 6, right? I think people will look to booster bundles to collect those and just display those. I think it's a lot easier. It's a lot more manageable. I up there have all my booster boxes, and you can see that's an ETB right there. But look at the footprint difference. It's way smaller, considerably less space, and also considerably less expensive. So overall, if you're just looking to pick up packs, this is probably going to be the best way. If you go and you buy a loose pack, right? You go and buy a loose booster pack of 151. They didn't do sleeved packs, right? So you go and buy one of these loose. Odds are it was Wade. Someone wanted to see if they got a god pack, a demigod pack, a yada yada hoodoo hoodoo. Dude, between glue and plastic, it's so hard to say what is truly a heavy box or a heavy pack or any of that stuff today, but people are doing it, so be on the lookout for that too. Obviously, this is a channel mostly geared towards investors and collectors. It's not for the scalper, so beware of the scalper who is just buying these 2-pack blisters and weighing the crap out of them and then going, these are the losers, let me get rid of them. It's something to be wary of for sure.